This video demonstrates how to unpack the Xerox C310 printer. Using a utility knife, cut the tape on the top and sides of the box. Remove the install guide and the plastic bag that contains the product safety guide and software CD. Remove the foam packing. Open the plastic bag that surrounds the printer. With two people, lift the printer out of the box and place it on the desktop. Remove the power cord. Remove the tape from the top and side of the printer. Open the front door. Release the gray tab and open the side door. On the right side of the printer, pull the orange tab out, grasp the ring, and pull the protective cover straight out of the toner cartridges. In the front of the printer, hold the orange tab and ring and pull the protective cover. Squeeze the two orange tabs together and release the protective covers on the fuser. Close the side and front doors. Remove the paper tray from the printer. The guides can be moved to accommodate different paper sizes. Fan the paper and ensure the edges align. Place the paper in the tray. Adjust the guides to the correct paper position. Insert the paper tray into the printer and close the tray. Connect the power cord to the back of the printer. Then plug the power cord into a properly grounded electrical outlet. The C310 printer has connections for USB or Ethernet cables. The unpacking of the C310 printer is complete. The Xerox C310 printer Power On and Wi-Fi video shows how to power on the C310 printer and set up Wi-Fi.